Today we have the 2020 Seat Ibiza. This vehicle has done just over 12,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration, voice control, and on the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status, and equalizer. Just below is our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button, we can switch between normal, sport, individual, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full cloth black interior.